And as long as you create the right content, which we'll get into that into another video, of course, but when you create the right content, then it lives forever. And guess what? People are watching our videos nonstop 24/7. I mean, it blows me away to see views at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 a.m. in the morning. So people are looking for that. We've gotten emails literally at 11 o'clock at night, turned around, contacted that client at 8 o'clock in the morning, and we had a contract on a house by 2 p.m. that afternoon from YouTube. That's the power of it. And why? Because they were in town working with another real estate agent that wasn't meeting their needs. They went on YouTube to try to search some other areas. They're like, this real estate agent's taking us to all these places that don't really fit our needs. So they went to look at other areas, other suburbs in Dallas, Texas, where we're located. And what did they come across? My videos.